Shopify Starter Plan review. In this video, I will show you a starter plan on Shopify, and also I will show you how to use Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, get a 30 days free trial when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get started for free on Shopify. As you can see that I'm inside the members area on Shopify. So what you need to do here with Shopify, I'm going to show you how to add your own products here on Shopify for a starter plan account. What you need to do, go here to products, and the products you can also import products. If already existing products, you can also import them here. But now in this video, let me show you how to add your own product. I'm going to click here to add a product. When I click here to add a product, it's gonna allow you to add your own product on Shopify. You will see a title. Under title, this is whereby that you have to write a title about the product that you are selling. You can write t-shirt for men, or t-shirt for women, or t-shirt for kids. Any title that you want to write for the product that you are selling here. And then after that, you can go to description. And a description, this is whereby on Shopify you can write a product description, but I like to use this AI feature from Shopify. You have to put some keywords here. So after that, this AI tool is gonna write any product description based on the keywords you're putting here. You can leave the tone of voice as you expect, and I'm click here to generate. As you can see that it is so fast, this AI tool, to write this product description for me automatically. I'm just going to keep it. You can also write another product description to make your product description to be long. After that, you can also go to media. Under media on Shopify, it allows you to choose an image of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. And then you can go to category. Under category, you can choose which category the product that you are selling on Shopify falls under which category. As you can see that there are so many categories here on Shopify that you can choose, guys. Okay, when you're done choosing the category of the product, you can go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price, how much the customers are willing to buy the product that you are selling here. You're gonna put the price of the product that you are selling on Shopify. You can also go to cost per item, like how much it is costing you to purchase this product on your supplier. But if you are using Shopify for digital products, you don't have to put anything here for cost per item. It's also going to show you the profit that you'll be making, and also the margins that you'll be making, guys. Okay, just keep in mind, this is only for physical products, but for digital products on Shopify, do not post anything under cost per item, guys. Okay, then what you need to do, you can save your product here on Shopify. It is so easy. After that, you can go to collection. Under collections on Shopify, it allows you to, if you have multiple products on Shopify, you can also check all of those products that you already added here on Shopify. It's going to be showing you all of those products here. And then you can also go to customers. Under customers on Shopify, you can see the customers who purchased from you. And also you can also import, if you have a database of customers, you can also import them here. It's going to be added on a Shopify store. And then you can also go to analytics. Under analytics on Shopify, you can check on how your store it is performing right now. You have enough data on how your store is performing. You can also see the total sales that you got in the last 90 days, in today, yesterday, last month, last week. All of those things you can check here on Shopify. You can also check the conversion rate on how your store it is performing. If it's above 10%, meaning that your store it is performing very, very well. You can also check the total orders. You can also check the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products on your Shopify store, you can also check the top selling products. You can also check the return customer rate, like what is the refund rate of the product that you are selling. You can also go to marketing, and the marketing you can do email marketing on Shopify. Email marketing, it is very, very important because you can get more sales through via emails. You can do email marketing. You can send email automations. You can do them here on Shopify. Go to campaigns and do email marketing to your customers. You can also offer some discounts, especially on holidays. You can offer 30% off discounts, so that customers gonna buy from you whenever you offer these discounts. You can also go to themes. These are done for you themes that you'll be getting for free on Shopify. You can take a look at these themes, take a look at these themes, and then what you need to do here, these are done for you theme stores that you can just add them straight into your Shopify account. But I don't recommend use these themes. You can hire someone on Fiverr or on Upwork to create a store for you for $10, $10, $10, $20, instead of this one, because this one, they are complicated. There are so many things that you have to adjust here on these themes. Let me show you some of these themes, how they look like. But if you want to use these themes, you can add your own domain here. You can change this logo, put your own logo, and then put your own currencies here, and then change the price that you want to use on these themes, guys. Okay, these Shopify themes you can do custom customization. If you want to sell t-shirts for girls, t-shirts for women, you can able to customize all of these themes, guys, using Shopify. It's so easy. It does not have any complication. It cannot be complicated when you're using these themes. When you scroll down here, what you will see that you can able to customize all of these themes, like these pages here. All of these things you can customize it. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page. This is whereby, guys, that you can able to get started for free for Shopify, guys. Only for $1 you'll have 30 days free trial. I highly recommend that, guys, you pay on a monthly basis, so that you can save up to 25% off discount. The most popular plan is the basic one. That's all I recommend. You're gonna pay $19 per month, guys. Okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started for free using Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and God bless you, shop.